Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to identify or know which applications that are tracking you on your Android phone. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you. Let's begin. Open Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for Exodus Privacy. Click on the first search result and click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. After your installation is complete, click on Open in order to launch the application. After your application have been launched successfully, wait for Exodus Privacy to gather information on the applications installed on your device. This process might take some time, so you need to exercise some patience. After Exodus Privacy is done gathering information on all your installed applications, it will list the number of permissions and trackers available in all your installed applications. For example, you can see Adobe Acrobat has 7 trackers and 19 permissions. To get more information on the trackers and permissions of the application, tap on the application of your choice, and this will give you more details on the trackers and permissions of the application. Under the Trackers section, you can see all the trackers that are meant to collect information about you. To get information on a particular tracker, click on the tracker, and this will open a new page that shows you all the applications that have the same tracker. For example, if I click on Facebook Share, you can see the number of applications that have the same tracker. You can also click on Tracker web page, and this will send you to the web page of the tracker in order to get more information concerning that particular tracker. On the Tracker web page, you can read to get more information concerning that particular tracker. Now, let's go back to Exodus Privacy. Also, the Permissions section shows you all the permissions an application requires in order to operate. If you are someone who is more concerned about their privacy, then you will need to review all the trackers in your applications and consider uninstalling some of your applications. Also, if you think an application requires a lot of permissions in order to operate, then you should consider uninstalling that application. Some applications that require so many permissions might be spying on you, so you will need to consider uninstalling them. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you do, then please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you.